Sierra Nevada Corporation A-29C Super Tucano delivered to U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command. Sierra Nevada Corporation, a prominent global aerospace and defense company, has proudly unveiled the delivery of the third A-29C Super Tucano aircraft to the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command, AFSOC. This announcement marks a significant milestone for SNC as they continue to support the critical missions of the AFSOC. The A-29C Super Tucano, considered the pinnacle of technological advancement and mission capability in its class, has been developed in partnership with Embraer Defense Security and is aimed at bolstering AFSOC's Combat Aviation Advisor mission. This mission is strategically designed to enhance the aviation capabilities of international partner nations. The A-29C Super Tucano, renowned as the gold standard in the realm of light attack, combat, and reconnaissance aircraft, is meticulously manufactured in the United States by Sierra Nevada Corporation and its partner, Embraer Defense Security. Beyond delivering the aircraft, Sierra Nevada Corporation has secured a contract to provide vital support components, including ground support equipment, pilot training, contractor logistics support, spares, and sustainment services for the program. Two of the A-29Cs were delivered earlier in the same month, and they have already commenced training operations at Hurlburt Air Force Base in collaboration with the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command. At TOPS, the Senior Vice President of Tactical Aircraft Systems and Programs in Sierra Nevada Corporation's Aviation and Security Business Area, expressed immense pride in Sierra Nevada Corporation's partnership with the U.S. Air Force. He highlighted the A-29C's active production line and cost-effectiveness, emphasizing its potential to significantly bolster warfighter support and deliver much-needed capabilities to those on the ground. The A-29C Super Tucano, tailored specifically for the Combat Aviation Advisor mission, equips U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command with advanced capabilities to assess, train, advise, assist, and accompany partner nation aviation forces in various aspects of air power, including employment, sustainment, and force integration. Notably, the A-29 Super Tucano, produced in the U.S. by Sierra Nevada Corporation and Embraer Defense Security, has already been selected by 15 air forces across the globe. Its versatility and robust design make it a formidable turboprop aircraft, capable of operating from unimproved runways and forward operating bases in challenging and austere environments. Sierra Nevada Corporation stands as a trusted leader in delivering innovative technology solutions and open architecture integrations within the aerospace and national security sectors. Renowned for its mission-specific applications, Sierra Nevada Corporation excels in crafting tailored solutions to address the world's most pressing technological challenges, spanning aviation, national security space, electronic warfare, command and control mission systems, and inline cybersecurity. SNC is proudly owned by Chairwoman and President Erin Osman and Chief Executive Officer Fadi Osman, and has been recognized as a U.S. Best Managed Company by Deloitte Private. In a noteworthy development, Sierra Nevada Corporation announced the transition of its space systems business area into an independent commercial space company, Sierra Space, in the spring of 2021. In conclusion, the delivery of the A-29C Super Tucano aircraft to the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command signifies a significant advancement in enhancing the capabilities of U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command in its vital Combat Aviation Advisor mission. With the A-29C's cutting-edge technology and Sierra Nevada Corporation's unwavering commitment to providing comprehensive support, it stands as a testament to the ongoing collaboration between industry leaders and military forces in advancing aviation and national security objectives.